Hi everybody, and today we're going to be doing an unusual roundabout. It's called the Brunel Roundabout in Milton Keynes, Bletchley, and it does crop up on quite a few test routes. So we're going to do it from different directions. So it'll be interesting for the people who live in Milton Keynes and Bletchley who take the tests in this area. But I think it'll be interesting for the people just watching this and the fact that it's slightly different. So we'll just get out of here. I'm going to do it from different directions, and I'll put in the description a timestamp for each direction. So if you want to skip to different directions. So we'll get out of here, and we're going to go ahead at the roundabout. Let's get the lights on there, I think. And it becomes 30. Now it's quite important that you're coming off a fast road straight away, and this direction we're heading towards is heading towards the test centre. So we're coming off onto a dual carriageway, and then there's a few things you need to remember. Firstly, it's 30, so do keep an eye on your speed. It's a bit of a speed trap area. The sign on the right says 2 lanes are going to go ahead, and we're going to go ahead taking the second exit. Now you can use the right lane or the left lane. We're going to use the left lane this time, but I'll use the right lane in a few minutes. So we're going to check our mirrors, and because we're going to go right, we're going to signal right, but we're going to stay in the left lane to do it. And we're going to check that it's safe on the right, which it is, and we're going to stick to our left lane, and the right signal tells people here, if they're waiting, that we're coming round. Check your left side, signal left, check the zebra. No one's on the zebra, no one's approaching it, it's nice and easy, it's done. But that's the hard bit. Do keep an eye on your speed here, 'cause it's still 30. People do speed by accident. So we're approaching the Brunel Roundabout again for the second time this time, but we're going to do a right turn in the right lane this time. So as we get closer, we're going to do a right turn. Now, we're checking, we're signalling, and you can use the right lane, you can use the left lane like I just demonstrated. So we're going to do a right signal. It does have its disadvantages. On a busy day in this lane, you might not get back into the left, so that's what you've got to be careful for. Check to my right, and then I'm entering. So if we assume you can't get into the left because this car is next to you, that's why you need to be checking, signalling, check by the zebra, then you'll point. Get past the zebra, check what's happening in your left, signalling again if it's come off, and get back into your left to carry on, to go ahead. So it's a bit more trickier, that one. Approaching the Brunel Roundabout, coming down from the test centre this time, and we're going to do it firstly left and secondly right. So it's a left at the roundabout. Now, as I say, keep an eye on your speed. It's still 30, so it's easy to go fast, and you've got a zebra crossing that does get busy and a sharp bend just before it, so I'm slowing down for second gear. Keep an eye on these people next to me. They're fine, they're not going to get there just yet. And then left at the roundabout, centre mirror left, check to my right, signal left, keep an eye on my speed. It's an easy left turn, got a sharp bend before it, and a little mini speed hump, which is not too big. So that's an easy one, that one. So this time, second time round, going down this way now, we're going to be doing a right turn at the roundabout. So we're going to check our mirrors. When we get closer, we're going to signal. It's still quite far away. We're signalling right now. We're in the right lane, watching for people approaching the zebra on both sides, so we've got to be careful. And it's nice and clear, and it's the second exit. Now, when we come off the roundabout, we've got to be very careful here, because straight away there's actually a brick wall on the left, concrete wall, blocking your view of people approaching. So we're taking our time, and it's nice and clear. He's still far away, so I'll easily make that. So they kind of appear from nowhere. Another couple of seconds later, I'll be giving way to that guy. And it's a 20 zone, you've got to be careful. It's a 20 zone, and it becomes very tricky to actually negotiate some of these side roads around here. Approaching the Brunel Roundabout from the final one this time, and we're in the 20 zone, and we've got a zebra crossing just before it, and it's going to 30, and we've got to watch out for people on the zebra crossing approaching both ways, and watch out for the cars. Now we're going to go left on this one. You can go ahead in either lane, but we're going to go left here, centre mirror left, and we're watching out for the cars on your right, so they can come round on you. So we're slowing down, giving way to the first one, and as we come off here, we've got another zebra crossing straight away, watching for anyone crossing. So you've got two zebra crossings pretty close together, and then even though you're going to build up your speed, keep an eye on your speed limit, that you don't break the speed limit, because it's so easy to speed here. So be careful, watch up the road, look what's happening on your right lane, see everyone tries cutting in. And that's the Brunel Roundabout. So I hope you've enjoyed this short video on the Brunel Roundabout. If you have, and you want to see some more videos on roundabouts in Bletchley, then check out the videos below. Take care, safe driving everybody.